Hi, Vieira here with Intuitive Code. I offered you this tremendous opportunity, complimentary ahead of earnings. I said that Roku is a bubble, the share price is going to crash, to collapse. The entire Wall Street agrees with my perspective. You have today shares at $38.65, and we announced on the blog of the company downgrading to junk. Therefore, congratulations, I'm going to show you where you have it on the blog of the company, here an article. Ahead of earnings, we downgraded to junk Roku at the price $58.70. You are perfectly aware who I am. We trade or invest in the markets with 100% accuracy. There is no risk whatsoever. $58.70, a downgrade to junk utilizing artificial intelligence. You have it here, okay? So pretty simple. As of today, you have Roku at $38.65, therefore $20 per share since then. I'm going to terminate by saying that unlike the rest of industry, I upgraded Roku to strong buy at $19. Okay, $19 we upgraded Roku to strong buy. The rest of the industry, they had sell ratings and neutral ratings. The share price summed to new all-time highs, and we downgraded to junk, and by doing so, our subscribers, including you, sold shares at the very top, and today you are making millions of dollars now on the short side after the Americans, they bought shares at the top, believing that Roku was going to be acquired for $85. You have it on CNBC, these articles calling Roku a buyout at precisely the very top ahead of a crash. Therefore, you only have to follow credible sources in order to make millions of dollars in the markets without any risk whatsoever, always proven live on the tape. Thank you. Bye.